because they had dampness in the bathroom and dampness coming in through the roof, termites have eaten. I'll show you when I do the job. I'm doing it in about 3 weeks time. I've got a lot to show you in the meantime, but this particular job I'm starting in about 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. How these termites have eaten all the framework, and they've had to replace all the framework in the whole house except the roof. The termites hadn't got up to the ceiling, but everything else is absolute knackered. All the sheets are off, you know, internal linings. It's all been framed out again, and we're doing a couple of new bathrooms for, or I am doing a couple of new bathrooms for them. But starting with the ensuite first, and then I'd say we haven't even talked about main floor area or even the other bathroom. Wait until we get there. Right, let's just zap that. But I'll be showing you all that 3.5 weeks time when I get there. People are prepared to wait for me, which is cool. The next job I go to next week, I'll finish this about Thursday morning. Today's Monday, so 3.5 days time. I'll finish this. I'll have Friday off, and I'll start, or half day Thursday, Friday off, and then I'll start my next one Monday morning next week. And that is going to be something to show you. Are we going to fit, or do I have to take a bit more off? Okay, that's not quite right. I've got to take a bit more off. But when I show you this one next week, you'll go, oh my God. This one next week that I start, it'll take me approximately 2 weeks. It's sort of a double bathroom, a big sucker, you know. There's a fair bit of work in it involved. I don't know what to expect yet, because a real roughie DIY has done the bathroom originally, and the people bought the house. And I don't know how many years they've been in it, but It's one hell of a shocker, this bathroom. I don't know what to expect. It's up Tambourine Mountain on the Gold Coast, and there could be termites, there could be a leaking shower, there could be so much involved. I don't know what to expect. But I think it's going to be a bit of a jaw dropper. The owners know that. No one knows what we're going to see when I start uncovering things. Anyway, what can you do? They are going to end up with, no matter what, they're going to end up with a beautiful bathroom. And I'll show you from start to finish. Right, these tiles are all a little bit sizy, but what can you do? You just got to humour them and do the best with what you got. And the old saying, oh, when it's grouted, it'll be fine. Well, that's what you used to say years ago when tiles were so sizy. Now with porcelain, and it's exactly cut, and it's 99.9% right, you haven't got that siziness like this ceramic tile. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. I'm going to start on this wall. I'll come back to you. Let me get started first. We'll see you soon. Ciao.